the baby? Are you looking up your street? Yes, because this is your street, isn't it? The only reason this puppy... Come here. Come here. She gets excited. Sorry, darling. Come here. I'm trying. That's the only thing I'm trying to stop her from doing. She's very beautiful, isn't she, darling? Yeah. Thank you. You can't, darling, because that's why you get in trouble. Everyone wants to pat you. Yeah? Is it, Daddy? Look. Hmm? Daddy? Where's Daddy's flower? Is it Daddy? Daddy? No. Wait, Daddy. Yeah. Ready? Is she gonna eat it, or is she gonna give Daddy back his flower? Baby, where's Daddy's flower? Can Daddy have his flower? Please? Please? I just want Daddy's flower. Thank you, baby! She's so beautiful. She loves her daddy. I love her.